5 reasons why most don't become wealthy. Una is it never occurs to them that it is possible for them. So, hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo na pwede ka palang yumaman. Una is importante talaga yung vision natin, yung perspective natin, yung mindset natin. And then pangalawa, they never decide to. So, nagiging passive lang tayo sa buhay natin. Kailangan kasi may plano tayo, may action tayo, may mga goal tayo. And then, pangatlo, inability to delay gratification. So, importante talaga, disiplinahin nyo natin yung sarili natin kasi dito tayo makaka-build ng mga winning habit. And pang-apat, procrastination. Mahilig tayo mag-delay. Kapag may gagawin tayo, ipagpapabukas na lang natin. Pag mag-iipon tayo, mag-i-invest, hindi natin ginagawa agad. And pang-lima, lack of time perspective. Madalas short-term